Hey, what's going on, everybody, in the 135 horsepower? I'm gonna just call it the big motor division. What's happening with all my big motor peeps, man? Wanted to give you guys a quick update on the performance of the bike, what I noticed, what I love, and what I don't like. Thunder Tower West did the bike for me. We put the bike together with all the bells and whistles. As far as the motor and everything, the 135, listen, performance immaculate. The get up and go, I did roughly right around 2,000 miles in 36 hours. I'm in Arizona right now. I made it to Arizona probably about 3 hours ago. So I'm in Phoenix, Arizona right now. So I left Atlanta yesterday. I left Atlanta at 5 a.m. yesterday. I left my house at 5 a.m. yesterday and pulled into here at like right after 8. Well, it'll be 5 p.m. our time. I pulled in here about 2:30, which is their 3-hour difference. Anyway, she ran good. The only thing I'm having a problem with, well, it's not a problem, but the only thing I'm noticing is every 1,000 miles or so, I need a whole quart of oil. She's running a whole quart of oil low every 1,000 miles. My average speed was 90 miles an hour. I have 6th gear on cruise control at 90. RPMs between 33 and 3,500. And I mean, she tackles it with no problem, up, down. And I slowed all the way down in 6th gear to 25, and then sped back up, all the way back up to 90. I even took a run at about, I think I was past 120, so like probably 130. I did that for about 4 miles. She never wavered. But again, I guess they got a governor, so cut out. But I know I was moving, so. Anyway, here we are. Finna wipe her down and spray her down real quick. This is the second set of bugs. I wiped the first set of bugs off this morning. I don't know if y'all can see it. My phone might be dirty. But anyway, this is the second set of bugs. Bug splatter. So I'm finna get ready to wipe her down. Oh yeah, they fucked these up. They got all this. Yeah. Anyway, spray her down and get her together, man. But again, my only concern would be I'm burning a quart of oil, a whole quart. On the dipstick, it's right at where it says add a quart. And that's at about 1,000 miles. So I did 1,000 miles Friday. I left Atlanta Friday. I went from Atlanta all the way to Amarillo, Texas. Almost out of Amarillo. And then I went from Amarillo this morning to Phoenix, Arizona. So anyway, we here. Just wanted to give y'all that quick update. Everybody was asking me about it. So that's what it is. All my big motor 135 cats. I hope you enjoy yours. I really enjoyed my ride. Again, I love it. The power, the reaction when you hit the throttle is amazing. So that reaction time is amazing. So other than that, again, just my only concern is the quart of oil. So y'all let me know if that's standard or y'all think that's too much or whatever. Also, it wasn't too hot, though. It wasn't too hot. And I sat in traffic today, too. It was traffic jams all through Louisiana and Dallas. I couldn't even believe Texas. I had about 7 different traffic jams. And then I got to Phoenix here, and I had a major traffic jam. So, anyway, enjoy your day, fellas. Happy Easter to everybody. It's your boy, Big CLFHOH, and I see Big Motor Division, baby. 135 Kings. Peace.